Hey everybody, this is Kia of Saskatoon here with another trade-in where we want to see you in a Kia, but of course this Hyundai Elantra will do just well for you too. Now come on, take a look at this. This thing is beautiful. Just arrived on the lot, of course. It's got some good nice alloy wheels on there. Thing is in beautiful black paint as well. You're going to find in here that you got some really nice features like blind spot monitoring, as well as you got Bluetooth there on the steering wheel, and as well over here you got cruise. That's really nice to have. And check this out. Over here you got this nice big touchscreen display with a great backup camera as well. So there you go, you got the big old screen there. You got USB capability, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and of course here as well you got automatic headlights, and there's much more, including a sunroof even. So come on down to Kia of Saskatoon. Follow us on our Facebook, on our Instagram, and of course subscribe to our videos so you can see more. Take a look at this. This is what I like about this vehicle right there. Boom, you can actually block the sun from all angles. That's super good to have. And of course, this vehicle only has 21,000 K. That's actually really low. Wow, this is actually quite amazing. All right, come on down to Kia of Saskatoon. We look forward to seeing you here, and we hope to see you soon.